ನಿಮ್ಗೆ 25 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿರ್ತೈತಿ. ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ 25 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದು ಪೇಪರ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ನನಗೆ ಯಾಕಪ್ಪ 25 ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂದೈತಿ ನನಗೆ ನೀವೇನಂತೀರಿ ಏನು ಬ್ರೋ ರೊಕ್ಕ ತಿಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಒಂದು 2800 rather than that you can just take 10 rupees postal copy, attach a postal order, attach to this, cut it and fold in an envelope. You can give by hand, you can post whatever means is okay. If your PIO in the college you feel it's not,
how many minutes? 3 minutes?
Feel it's wrong, you can go to state government, you can go to central government. This is a system what we are going to implement. The best thing is students, you don't have to put your name in. You can put either your name or you can put someone else. Only thing what should be right is the address should be correct, because by 30 days you will get the result of this RTI. Okay, and if you don't get it, you can again file for it. If they don't give it, you can inform us. No, you can give it to the court. You will minimum get 25%. And if the detail you give it.
अगर आपको पता है तो आप किधर रहो?
You take down our number. Similarly, if you give it to the college, they give you a particular information. You are not satisfied with the information. You can give it to the university. So university will give you information, college will give you information. If there is any difference between them. If you are not satisfied with the university, you can use state government. State government also. So if you are not satisfied with and if there is a change of information between college, university and state of government, you can file a case against them, urging what is this right. So you will one of them is giving the different answer. This is what we are going to implement in your school. We will give you a number. Who is Rajat? I stay in Hubli. You can anytime call down. We will surely